Hey everyone! Welcome back to CVS, your trusted 5-star Tally partner. Today I've got something game-changing for your business. Ever wish your team could use Tally all at once? Without the wait, without the fights over who gets to log in? Let's be honest, you've probably got one Tally license and a whole team trying to use it. Sales, accounts, inventory. Everyone needs access, but only one person can log in at a time. That's not just frustrating, it's a productivity killer. Now here's the good news. Meet Tally Virtual User, or TVU. With TVU, your whole team can access Tally on cloud at the same time, from anywhere. Laptop, desktop, tablet. If it connects to the internet, you're good to go. So how does it work? Instead of spending big on extra Tally licenses, TVU lets you scale effortlessly. Whether you've got 3 users or 30, everyone can work together in real time, all on the same Tally data. No lag, no interruptions. Just smooth, synchronized teamwork. Here's why this matters. Your team can work from anywhere. No more waiting for Tally access. You save big on licensing costs. Everything's hosted on a secure cloud with auto backups. It works with Tally Prime, Gold, and Silver editions. More users, more work, less cost. And when you choose CVS, you're not doing this alone. We've helped over 5,000 businesses unlock the full power of Tally Virtual Users. With 17+ years of experience and 5-star support, we make sure your setup is smooth, fast, and future-proof. So, ready to boost your team's productivity without breaking the bank? Head over to CVS or just give us a call. Let your whole team use Tally at once, the smart way. Fast, secure, affordable. Visit cvs.com or call now to get your free demo. Let's make Tally work harder, so your team doesn't have to.